Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more update. Today we are explore amazing topic of Photoshop: how to create custom shape rounded label pointer. Open Photoshop and create a new canvas. Select the custom shape tool from the toolbar. From the shape picker, choose a rounded label shape. Click and drag on the canvas to draw the label. Hold shift to keep proportions correct. Change the color to bold accent color. Now select the triangle shape from the custom shape tool. Draw a small triangle under the label. Rotate the triangle using Ctrl plus J. Place it in the center bottom of the label. Select both shapes and align them. Add text inside the label using Ctrl plus J. Adjust font size and